How to fix Sephiria is crashing on Steam. So first you will need to right click on the game in your library, open up the properties window, and then in the launch options you can try -dx11 command, or if this does not fix the crash you can try -d3d11, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for it to finish checking. Now once this is done you can close out of Steam, and then you will need to open up the NVIDIA app where you can download updates. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you will need to install the NVIDIA app. Go to the drivers tab from here, select game ready driver, check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest available updates. And if you have a laptop, you will need to make sure that you're using the actual graphics card, not the integrated one, because it can cause lags and crashes. And to do that, you can simply open up the start menu, search for graphics settings, click on it, and make sure to select desktop app, browse to your game from here, and add it to this list. Then just click on your game, click on options, and make sure that you set the high performance or whatever GPU you have right here available, except the integrated one. And this should use the actual GPU and not the integrated GPU for games. And the last option is to download and install the redistributables. So you can search for redist, click on the first link, and then scroll down to the second table. Make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64 version of the redistributables, both of them. And once you finish installing these, it will prompt you to restart your system. Then you should restart your system, and you should run Steam as admin before launching the game again. Right click and run as admin, and then you can proceed to open up the game again from your Steam library, and this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.